Hey, I'm Immy, and for the past 4.5 years I've been trying to live a sustainable lifestyle and reduce my impact as much as possible. I've been embarking on different adventures to understand how to truly live a low impact life. By swapping flying for trains on my trip from London to Stockholm, to exploring alternative ways of living like boat life in London. This week I decided to find out whether van life really was every bit as fun and sustainable as it seemed to be.
Good morning guys and welcome to Red. Good morning guys and welcome to Red. I am going on a van trip with my friend's van because I really wanted to try out van life, and I thought, what better than before you buy one, new or secondhand, why don't you rent one and see if you actually like it. So I'm off on my own. I'm pretty nervous, but I thought I really wanted to try van life. I really wanted to try going on a trip on my own. I just thought this might be one of the best ways to kind of break myself in. So I am heading off now. It's kind of like 11, so I thought it'd be a bit quieter now. This van is pretty old. It's a 1996 Renault Traffic Prima, I think, T900. And so she's very old, but she works fine. We've just changed the brakes and hopefully it's going to be a smooth ride. I've got full coverage just in case for like recovery, but I'm not going too far, but I am excited and I'm going to be documenting the whole thing. So let's just go. Hey guys, so I'm just taking a quick break because that was a bit of a stressful ride, considering it's the first time I've ever driven this van, and I'm super hot because it's really sunny and beautiful here today. But I'm just gonna go and buy some food, some snacks and stuff for the van, and then I might go and have like a proper lunch at a pub in this little place called Fell, and then I'm gonna head on to my final destination. But I am so impressed with myself. I managed to reverse park into a bay in this car park in this van for the first time ever, and I'm pretty proud of myself. So I'm gonna go to the loo, get some food, drink some water and get going. Okay, I've got my snacks, I'm back in the van, I've had some water. Now I'm off to get a proper lunch maybe, or I might just head straight to where I'm actually ending up. I'm not sure yet, but I'm still so proud I managed to reverse park in here, seriously. Okay, so I finally made it to the campsite that I'm staying at, and I decided to stay at a campsite for my first kind of van life experience because I'm doing it on my own and it is the first time. I just wanted, I don't know, I think it's about security. It's not so much about having like facilities and things like that, because I don't think that would be a problem. It's more so that I just kind of get a really nice feel for like how great van life really can be, and I was just a little bit scared, I guess, just a little bit nervous to kind of camp in this van, especially because it's not actually that good at kind of blocking the windows and things like that, so you really can like see in a bit. So I just wanted to make sure that I felt safe and that I could really enjoy this experience. So I just kind of had a sandwich that I made, so I'm probably not gonna, I didn't decide to stop off at a pub. Instead, I'm actually going to go for a walk right now because we're right by a really beautiful bay, a really beautiful beach, and it's so peaceful and calm down here. I'm just so excited, and everyone here has been super nice already. I decided to stay in a campsite that's kind of part of I think it's the Caravan and Camper Van Friendly Club or something, I can't remember, but I'll put it down below. My friend Naomi, she's used it loads and she loves it, and yeah, it's not sponsored, I just they've been really nice already and the facilities are really beautiful. So I'm gonna go for a walk, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then I think this evening I am going to start my new book, I Am Pilgrim. My friend Claire read this and she really recommended it, so I thrifted it a couple of weeks ago, or maybe a month ago when I was still in the US. With my boyfriend, and yeah, I'm just excited to get stuck in. It looks like a really big book, but it's only about 600 pages, so it's less than you think it is. But I'm going to make some tea later as well after I've been outside because it's really lovely and cold. And honestly, I'm so excited to be here. So I'm going to document the whole experience. But for now, I'm just going to have some water and then let's go out for a walk. Just went for my walk on the beach and it was so beautiful. I hope you enjoy some of the footage that I took. I'm just heading back to the van now. I'm going to make a really warm cup of tea and I'm going to do some reading before it gets dark, and then I'm going to make some dinner. I was just looking at the tourist information to see if there's like a close pub, but I don't think there is, so I think I'll go for a pub tomorrow morning, or tomorrow lunchtime, of course. So yeah, I'm going to head back and have some cup of tea now. Okay, so I'm going to quickly make some tea and then I'm going to get into bed and probably just do my reading and probably settle in for this evening. I'm still pretty tired, my arms are shaking from my CrossFit class this morning, but honestly I feel so happy to be here. I feel so nice to I don't feel nervous anymore at all. I feel really I know it might sound silly, but I actually feel really proud of myself for getting here and just actually doing it, especially because I've been wanting to do this for so long. So anyway, enough chat. It's time for some loose leaf tea. It's getting pretty dark now, so I'm probably gonna only read for a little bit longer until it really gets dark. And then I am just going to finish my cup of tea. And I do have lights in here, but I'm going to try and go to bed early so I can get up really, really early tomorrow and go on this really amazing walk that I'll take you guys with me. But I'm going to stop filming now just because it's getting a bit dark. But I really hope you enjoyed seeing so far what I've been able to do today and just the kind of start of my week doing van life. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning bright and early, and I'll let you know how my first night's sleep went.